In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to OneNote. Whether you're on a computer, phone, or the web, the process is quick, and the same idea applies across devices. Follow along, and you'll be ready to open, sync, and capture notes in moments. Start by opening the OneNote app. On Windows or Mac, find OneNote in your applications or search bar. On mobile, tap the OneNote icon. If you prefer a browser, you can also open OneNote on the web, and it will guide you into the same sign-in flow. The goal here is simply to launch OneNote so it can prompt you to connect your account. Once OneNote is open, look for the option to sign in. Depending on the version, you might see a prominent sign-in button on the welcome screen, an account icon near the top, or a prompt inviting you to sign in to get started. Click or tap Sign In to continue. If you're already signed in from a previous session, OneNote may skip this step and load your notebooks automatically. Next, enter the email address for the Microsoft account you use with OneNote. This could be a personal account or a work or school account. After typing the address, choose Next, then enter your password carefully to avoid typos. If your organization uses verification, complete the code or authenticator prompt to finish. On some devices, you may be asked whether you want to stay signed in. Choosing that is convenient on your own device, but skip it on a shared computer for privacy. If you see an option like Use this account everywhere on your device, that simply helps other Microsoft apps sign you in too. After you finish, OneNote will sign you in and load your notebooks. If you've used OneNote before, your sections and pages will appear and start syncing. If this is your first time, you may see a blank notebook or a quick welcome page, and you can begin creating notes right away. You'll know you're signed in when you see your account name or avatar in the corner and the sync indicators settle. If you need to switch to a different account later, you can open the account settings inside OneNote, sign out, and then repeat the same sign-in steps with the other email. For the smoothest experience, make sure your internet connection is stable and that the device's date and time are correct, as those can affect sign-in. And that's it. You've opened OneNote, clicked Sign In, and entered your email and password to access your notebooks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy organizing your ideas with OneNote.